My name's Brian Freeborn. I am the operations manager here at the Beamsville facility. We became part of Savaria in 2016. Since we've been with Savaria, we put in a new robotic welding system, which is great, and we upgraded. We stole a welding robot from Brampton plant. We were very pleased that they let us take that out of there. So Beamsville looks after nursing homes. We supply the nursing home from one end of the home to the other. We'll supply their furniture, we'll supply their lounge furniture, dining furniture, bedroom furniture, and our main product being the beds. We make 5 different models of beds. Team-wise here at Beamsville, we have a full coverage. We do everything. We do the R&D for the beds, we do all the quality control here, setting up the standards, do all our own maintenance, production. It's a pretty dynamic team. They work really well together. We understand when the rubber meets the road, we're there. We do it with a lot of good teamwork. We work well together. It works for me because it's a very interesting product. I've been involved with Spant now for 26 years and I love design. I just love getting into trying to figure it out and how to make it work. When I got into the workforce and I fell in love with machinery, as I grew on my journey through my career, I got to learn everything. Basically, if I didn't know it, I just did it. Over the years while I've been here, I've had to develop a lot of programs on how to do orientation with people, how to create training plans for them. So I was bringing in these new people in customer service and such that they would really get a really good view of what goes on in the company before they started the job. And all this work is really providing a great vision as to where we're going in the future.